Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is Triple R, back in action. I'm trying to play a game of poker. Let's see how we can do it. One-man game poker. Oops, dropping the cards. But let's see how we can do it, the one-man game of poker. It's a challenge. I'll take my 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I gotta try to leave the deck here. You know how to play poker. You gotta try to get it straight. Royal flush, a royal flush, straight flush, full house, 3, 4 of a kind, 3 of a kind, 2 pairs, a pair, whatever it is. The ace can be anything. So right here, you can see on the camera, I got 2 sevens. And then I got the ace. The ace is wild, so I don't want these 2 cards. I'm gonna take these 2 cards and give it back. Hey, you can have them. Now I threw 2 cards. You always have to have 5 cards because I'm playing 5-card poker. So I go like this, pick up 5, and what do I get? That's a good hand, but it's not great because I have a pair of 7s and the ace. And I would have lost it, so that's 1 loss. Not really a loss. I didn't get jumped.
Yeah, you already have food and water.
I didn't get jumped, so here we go. We're going to continue again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to pay until the deck is done. I got 1 win. I didn't get jumped. Here it goes again. You know the situation. I got 2 6s. That's a pair. I'm going to throw down 3. The only way you can throw down 4 cards is if you have an ace or whatever card is wild. So, I'm going to pick up my 3. Let's move it 3. And let's see how lucky I get. This is a good hand right here. Because I got 2 pairs. Yeah, I did better than the first time. I got 2 pairs and a king. You see how that's going? Yeah. I can see how it's going too. But let's continue on. So if you don't know how to play poker, there's a 5 card, 7 card, and a 9 card. I prefer to play the 5 card. Because the 7 and 9 cards, it's kind of complicated. It's easy to play, but it's kind of, it gets confusing after a while. It gets very annoying. But like I said, we're going to continue again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's show my face a little more. There we go. Now I got the 5 cards. See? It's in my hands. You didn't say deuces wild like a dodo. So I'm going to throw... Ooh. Now I got a situation. I can throw this one down and try to get a flush with the same suit. Or I can try to get a 3 pair. So I'm going to take my risk, throw that down. All we need is a spade. And what do we get? Jump. I lost 1 game.
Did you?
Yeah. That was the game. Seriously.
Ow!
But this is the poker challenge.
Yeah, poker challenge is supposed to be playing with me.
But now, then we can play next game with my fiance. I'm just so happy. I'm keeping all of my cards. Everybody, you know what this is? It's a flush. All in the same suit.
Ow!
Because it's all in the same suits. Clubs, clubs.
Oh, yeah.
Clubs. I win. That's the best win I got so far.
So far.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to try this one day with to the live, but here we go again. I'm keeping this. I have a straight flush. Not only it's in the same suit, I'm going to show you viewers. It's also in number order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the ace. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a great win. You can try this at home. If you get bored, try this how many flushes you can get. So far I got 1, and I have 1 loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you had 2. The clubs and the hearts.
And then here we go again. Ooh. See, again, I'm lucky. It's in the same suit, and it's in order. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 2, 2. That's 2.
3 to 2. 3 to 1.
Right.
The first one.
One, yeah, and I got both 2 flushes. 3, 4, 5, wait, not 6. What am I doing? Now, we have a situation here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna get this lucky. I got kind of lucky.
Not that good. That's not lucky.
But I got this kind of lucky. But, these two, if it's in a game, he can have them. Thank you, Mr. Luigi. Then I'm gonna pick these 2 up. And what do I get?
Nothing.
I got a pair and an ace. Wham, wham, wham. That's still a win, but somebody could beat me with that, so you can count it as a win or a loss.
Yippee!
2, 3, 4, 5. Now we almost at the end of the day. 2, 3, 5. Now, look at this situation.
Ew, that's not good.
It is good. I could.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let me see
It's
it.
on clubs.
I didn't see it. Oh, what's
It's
the
on
cut?
club. So, and it's a numeric order, so I want to get rid of
Give
this.
me that
cue.
queen.
By cue, I give it to Mr. Luigi, the dealer. Then I pick up, and to no event, I lost. I got junk on that one.
You think?
Now, 1, 2, 3. This is gonna last hand.
Shuffle them cards up.
Shuffle these bad boys up because this is the last hand that they're going out. 3, 4, 5. Now, let's see what we can do with this last hand. This is what we can do with this last hand. Yeah.
Oh, the 2 queens I can see.
Yeah, the thing that is, I'm gonna throw away the teacher. I'm gonna give this back to Mr. Luigi. He can have
You
it.
said throw.
Let me throw. Now,
Ew.
guess what? In the last hand, this is a very
Wait a minute, that's a good hand.
It is.
Except for that one I do, which ain't the same seat.
Yeah, but I think
But it's still good.
it's still good. It's still got a flush. So I hope you did enjoy this video. No, my other videos, feel free to subscribe to me. I'm gonna think of more challenges. If you have any ideas of challenges I can do, feel free to leave me a comment on the comment box below. Please like and subscribe. That would be appreciated. And give me a big thumbs up. Yay! I like those. But I'll get back tomorrow with a... Tonight I'll be doing a good night video. Tomorrow I'll get back with another challenge. So for now, I do love you all. Be safe. I'm gonna be signing out. I'll be closing down. So for now, be safe. Good night. Not good night, but yeah, I can say that too. I'll say later. But for now, I am closing out, and I will see you in the closing video. 7 hours.